Set up a meeting with the screenwriter of Mosquito Blood for tomorrow. Sure. Why does the female supporting character's experience in the script resemble mine so much? And the male lead. It's like a deep courtyard. Why hasn't he come back so late? Where did he go? I've been married to Tingshin for 5 years. I've never seen this woman before. Have some honey water to sober up.
Why didn't you come today?
In 5 years, have you ever invited me to a drinking party? A bit busy.
It's okay if you don't go. Not very interesting.
That photo. How come I have never seen the woman sitting next to you?
Before you came to live in the capital. Just left.
She should be your ex-girlfriend Hiroshi. Are you happy she's back?
What do you mean by that?
Nothing. It's getting late. Get some rest.
Miss Song, your condition should be treated as soon as possible.
Miss Song. We finally meet. What do you think of this script?
It's quite ordinary. It doesn't have much potential for filming.
I've been following Miss Song's films all these years. I think you can direct this story well. After all, those who have experienced it can better bring the script to life.
Apologies. I won't take it.
You will. Tingshin promised to invest in this play and let you direct it. You know he always keeps his word.
Tingshin knows about this.
So, Director Song, are you still going to refuse?
I'll think about it.
Miss Song, your nasopharyngeal cancer has worsened. The situation isn't looking good.
I understand.
I'm back.
I received a script. The author is Hiroshi.
I know. I invested in this play. You direct.
Do you know what the script is about?
What?
Written by Hiroshi. It's your love with her. Written by Hiroshi. It's your love with her.
She and I are history. Do you really need to hold on to it?
There's no point in arguing. We barely have any time together as it is. There are so many good directors in the there'll be someone better suited than me.
You can think it over.
Is he going out again? Tingshin. I'll go with you.
Okay.
I didn't expect you to follow me too. Love is sand that slips through your fingers. Sometimes letting go is the best choice. Have a good time.
Hiruashi is special in his heart. She's ultimately different.
How close are you with Ruashi now? If she hadn't left back then, we might have had kids by now.
When did Song Enning leave? Why didn't you say anything when you came back?
Private booth in the bar. I saw it.
It was just a dare, no real.
Feels like I'm overreacting.
How about the script? Have you thought it over?
I refuse.
Ruashi really respects you.
Could you not mention her?
What are you being unreasonable about again?
You're the one who keeps bringing her up.
Our marriage is just a business alliance. Are you doing this because you want a divorce? A 300 million project.
I can't hear anything.
Intermittent deafness is a severe sign of nasopharyngeal cancer progression.
Is it still treatable?
Without chemotherapy, I have at most 1 month left.
For the past 5 years, I've treated Fu Tingshin with respect. I was afraid he would get tired. I didn't even want marriage, but now I'm still going to lose him. The script by Hiruashi. I've accepted it.
Okay, Director Song, I'll arrange it soon. You met with Hiruashi.
How ridiculous. Our love can only exist in someone else's script. But even as a vicious supporting actress, I'm willing to stay. Our story is proof of my love for you. Last night. Was he with Hiruashi?
Ruashi said this book is her life experience. So she wants to join the crew as a screenwriter. What do you think?
Good.
Tingshin, you left your clothes in my car. I'll go get them.
Why did you suddenly change your mind?
It's nothing. Were you serious last night or just venting?
Don't take it to heart. A business marriage. How can it be dissolved so easily?
What if I want a divorce?
Don't make such jokes in the future.
Can't bear to part with me?
Don't be emotional. Acting is your job.
I really want to say I love you. But I can guess your response. Our marriage is just a formality, a job that can't involve emotions.
So frustrating. This female supporting character is use marriage alliance, steal someone else's boyfriend. Fortunately, the end evil people get their just deserts, dead.
Written by Hiruashi. It's your love story with her.
I just want to tell the audience. Even the heavens will help. Two people truly in love.
Let's go home. I'll cook today.
I didn't expect you could actually cook.
I just started learning recently. We are busy though. But occasionally, we could eat at home too.
Without chemo, there's at most a month left.
What are you thinking about?
Why didn't you put any green onions?
You don't like green onions. My mistake.
Tingshin. If we weren't forced into marriage by our families, could you possibly like me?
You care a lot.
What's wrong?
It's been exposed on the prototype of the wicked woman in the script. Many fans are cursing you.
Okay, I understand. I'm going to see Mr.
Looking for Mr. Fu. Will he help you clear things up?
Maybe not before. But now. He definitely will.
Tingshin. If we hadn't broken up back then, would you have married me?
Yes. But unfortunately, no ifs. If that's all, you can go.
Lawyer Chen. Could you draft a divorce agreement for me? And will.
What's wrong with you?
I have a cold. It's nothing. That thing online. Who do you think did it?
What do you mean?
Besides you and me, who else knows so much about this matter?
You're suspecting Ruashi. She wouldn't.
Do you trust her that much?
Being unreasonable.
Director Song. This has gotten out of hand. The film has been ordered to stop production.
Okay. This movie is like my relationship with Fu Tingshin. It had a beginning, but never a perfect ending. Tingshin. The mosquito blood has stopped filming. Let's use this time to make up for our honeymoon, shall we?
Alright. Where do you want to go?
Let's go to Bangkok Moon Lake. After all, that's where our dreams began. Am I being too willful? You answer the phone. I'll pick it up.
Hello, Ruashi. Hey, Ruashi. Let's go. Peace. Come here.
Let's not leave any regrets this time. Deep courtyard. How about we take a group photo?
You know I don't like taking photos.
I know. Just this once, okay? 3, 2. Make sure to print it out and put it by your bedside. Deep courtyard. The photo.
I'm sorry. I have to go back to my country.
What?
Ruashi has something. If you don't go back, just hang out for a few days. I'll be back.
Okay. I'll be waiting for you. Today's my birthday. Fu Tingshin. Do you remember?
Marriage.
Fu Tingshin. When are you coming back exactly? Lawyer Chen. Could you please deliver the divorce agreement to Fu Tingshin? Deep courtyard. If we weren't forced into marriage by our families, would you possibly like me?
You care a lot.
As for the will,
Hello, the person you are calling is temporarily.
Why are you answering the phone? Song Yanning, what's wrong with you?
Get married. Get married.
I'm not planning on getting a divorce. Don't send these in the group anymore. And Ning is also in. I don't want her to misunderstand.
I had too much to drink at the banquet today. Could you give me a ride home?
I'll have Lu Jing take you. I am married after all. We should keep our distance.
Are you afraid Miss Song will argue with you? But we haven't done anything out of bounds.
We're already causing her distress like this.
Isn't that her issue? If she truly likes you, how could she doubt you? Are you going to let a woman you don't even like? Are we just going to give up on all these years of our relationship?
If my wife minds us more, I would prioritize her feelings.
Why? You used to love me.
You're talking about the past. Song Yanning is my future now.
It took me so much to come back. I will never give up.
Are you asleep? I can't believe I forgot her birthday. Finish up early. Go to her place early. Song Yanning. Just a dream, thank goodness.
Mr. Fu, Missy wants to restart the Mosquito Blood project. She says she can fund the filming herself.
Let her do as she. Any news from the wife?
I haven't been able to reach her yet.
Reschedule all my work plans. Book a ticket to Bangkok for tomorrow as soon as possible.
But Mr. Fu, you have a very important signing meeting tomorrow.
Cancel it.
Yes, sir.
Song Yanning, what on earth are you doing? Why didn't you answer the phone?
Please leave the room.
Dr. Gu. I really don't know how to thank you. If it weren't for you saving me that day, I'm afraid.
It was your luck too. Being found by tourists and brought to the hospital. Can't speak? Don't be afraid. I'm an expert in this field. Your condition can be cured, but you must cooperate with the treatment. Where's your husband? You're sick. Why isn't he here with you?
Is Fu Tingshin still my husband?
If there's anything you need, just let me know. I'll do my best to help you.
Song Yanning.
Mr. Fu, lawyer Chen said the wife left a divorce agreement.
Divorce? You've got to be kidding me. Has Miss Song checked out of the presidential suite?
Yes, just checked out. A gentleman accompanied her.
Song Yanning. You want a divorce from me because of him?
Separate. At least for now, we can part ways with dignity. Yes.
Hello. I'm Anning's new boyfriend, Gu Jinyan.
What's all this about?
I'm not making a scene. The divorce is the result of careful consideration. Anyway, you're in love with Hiroshi. Does it matter who I'm with?
I have no feelings for her. Don't be so presumptuous. Haven't you wronged me? I've only been gone for a few days and you're with this man already. I think it's you who had an affair and used Ruashi as an excuse.
Fu Tingshin, I didn't expect that in your eyes. I am such a person. But since we've both found better people, wouldn't divorce be better?
I get why you came here for a vacation. It's not the scenery, it's the people, right?
Sir, don't be too outrageous.
Who do you think you are, meddling in other people's affairs?
I'm Ning's boyfriend. Now, you're the other person.
Song and Ning, I just need one explanation from you. He's not your boyfriend.
I have nothing to explain to you.
Song Yanning, you'd better not regret this.
Anning. Hospital.
Tingshin, where have you been? Come back together, have a drink.
Okay.
Why are your eyes so red? I just cried.
Shut up.
I heard you went to pick up Song Anning. How pretentious of her to have you pick her up personally.
Why do you have to keep targeting Song Yanning?
I don't have her for the bar. I just think she isn't good enough for you.
Aren't I your brother? But she's my wife. I always thought before that Anning didn't get along with you because she's too cold. But now I understand. It's you. Never accepted her. If you really considered me a brother, you wouldn't have treated her like this. Now I'm divorced. You won't have to see Song Anning anymore. Are you satisfied?
But since we've both found better people, isn't divorce better?
You think one piece of paper can easily cut ties? Our 5-year marriage. Song Anning, what gives you the right to divorce me?
Anning. Remember, don't let your emotions swing too wildly. You fainted on the street last time. It was terrifying.
Dr. Gu is too lonely by himself. I want to go back. Receive treatment in a familiar place.
It would indeed be better for you to get treatment back in the capital. Don't worry. I'm heading back to the capital the day after tomorrow, and I'll take you with me.
Thank you.
Peace. If I run into your ex-husband after we return to the capital, am I still your boyfriend?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said you were my boyfriend.
I'm not blaming you.
That's...
Forget it. Let's take a break first.
Fu Tingshin. Even though we can't be together, I want to stay in the city where you are.
Tingshin, I'm sorry, it was wrong of me as a brother. I heard Song Anning is back. If you really like her, show some weakness. Win her back.
It's too late. She's fallen for someone else.
I'll learn to tie a tie properly.
Song Anning. You did love me, didn't you? Now that we're divorced, aren't you going to pack your things?
It's normal to lose hair after chemotherapy. Don't worry, my body will recover and grow stronger again.
Thank you, Dr. Gu. Can I apply to go home and recuperate?
If you find the hospital depressing, you can apply to go back. But remember to come to the hospital on time for each chemotherapy session.
Okay.
Now that we're divorced, aren't you going to pack up your things?
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Dr. Gu. Do you have time recently?
I heard everything. I'll go help you. You should rest more if you're not feeling well.
Thank you.
Pack up. I'll take you home first, then I'll go over.
Okay.
Peace. See you tomorrow.
Excuse me, the door's open. It's just,
How come it's you? Where's Anning?
Anning can't make it. I'm here to pack up her things.
I'd like to see how she can't come.
Where are you going? Looking for peace? She can't handle excitement right now.
It's between my wife and you, an outsider, should mind your own business. Are you alright? Why do you look so pale?
Fu Tingshin. What brings you here? What are you doing here?
I disagree with the divorce. Can we have a serious talk?
Okay. Let's settle the divorce matter once and for all. I hope after our talk, you won't bother me again.
Do you really want a divorce that much? I haven't signed the divorce agreement yet. We're in a business marriage with shared assets. If we divorce, there will be compensation to pay.
So in your eyes, our 5-year marriage can be measured in money.
I didn't mean that. Just come back. We don't have to discuss the divorce this way. Let's live our lives well from now on. Regarding Hiroshi, I'll also try my best to avoid her.
No need. I'm leaving with nothing.
What did you say?
Didn't expect all these years. I misjudged you.
What? Regret it? You were the one who couldn't wait to marry me. What was it really for? Is your affection just a joke?
Fu Tingshin. I loved you, but what was the outcome in the end? You left me in Bangkok. Without a care. Go to the party with Hiroshi. You know it's about mosquitoes. It's about your love with her. Yet you still cast me as the villainous supporting character. Fu Tingshin, do you even have a heart?
I didn't know my own limits. And Ning, trust me, there's no affection between Hiroshi and me.
Have you ever done anything to make me trust you?
I just want you to come back.
I don't want to go back. Fu Tingshin, I don't want you anymore. Go away. Get out of here.
Don't be angry. I'm leaving.
I saw Song Anning at the hospital today. Is she sick?
She's fine. She went to the hospital to see Gujinian, right? Could she really be ill? So like, what's wrong with you, Song Yanning?
Why are you here?
Answer my question. You're really sick. What kind of illness? Is it serious?
I.
Peace.
Peace has been ill for so long. You finally came to the hospital.
What happened to Peace?
She has nasopharyngeal carcinoma. As her husband, you didn't even know.
Nasopharyngeal carcinoma.
Well, that's to be expected. You could just abandon her in Bangkok without a second thought. How could you know she had cancer? Or that she often couldn't hear? If the tourist hadn't found me during the attack, she might never come back.
You didn't ignore me on purpose back then. You were sick and couldn't hear what I said. Is there still a chance for Anning's condition to improve?
The cancer cells in her body have decreased significantly.
Thank you for your help during this time.
If you can't fulfill your duties as a husband, let go. There are plenty who pursue peace.
Our family matters are none of Dr. Gu's concern. Song Yanning is my wife. I won't let go. Peace. I'm sure now. I can't live without you. Wake up soon.
Have you been taking care of me all this time? I think I still love you. It's just, who do you truly like, Hiroshi or me? Is it me?
What's the matter with your illness? Why have you never told me?
I tell you. Will you let go of Hiroshi and care about me instead?
Song Yanning. Do I seem like that kind of person to you? How many times do I have to say it before you believe me? I don't like Hiroshi.
The last time I went to your company to find you, I heard you tell Hiroshi, if we weren't together, you'd marry her.
Is that why you divorced me? Did you hear what I said after that? I said, there are no what ifs in this world.
Originally, I misunderstood.
Song Yanning, you once asked me, if it wasn't a business marriage, would I fall in love with you? Song Yanning, you once asked me, if it wasn't a business marriage, would I fall in love with you? At that time, I didn't know, but now I do. I like you, Song Yanning. I would fall in love with you even without the arranged marriage. Song Yanning, do you still have feelings for me?
Fu Tingshin, can you give me some time to think it over? Is that okay?
Alright, you rest first.
Mr. Fu, the TV show Mosquito Blood premieres tomorrow. Should we intervene?
No need. It's about the mosquito. I'll give Anning an explanation.
Okay. By the way, Fu's company has several major projects. You need to come back in person.
No time. Just turn down the project.
But the company has recently suffered big.
I said, turn them all down.
Director Song, Mosquito broadcast. You're getting a lot of hate online. You should stay indoors for a while. Paparazzi are staking out the hospital for.
Okay.
Miss Song. How are you doing these days?
What brings you here?
Don't be nervous. I just came to check on you. By the way, just a heads up. The show based on us aired. Right. This show is still under the Fu family's name. You didn't know that, did you?
It has nothing to do with me.
I've been really into surfing the internet lately. Do you know why? Because they insult the vicious female supporting character in the drama so harshly. What homewrecker? What seductress? It's quite amusing. Song Anning. If you're seriously ill, just rest well. Why are you still getting in the way of me and Tingshin?
I'm not.
Nothing. If not, why would he choose someone like you?
It's not up to me who he chooses. Hiruashi. If he really liked you, you wouldn't be so anxious right now, would you?
Hiruashi, what brings you here?
Deep courtyard. I just heard Miss Song was ill and wanted to check on her.
You're not needed here, get out. I'm sorry. I failed to protect you.
It's not your fault. Why do you keep coming to see me? We're divorced.
It's not over until I sign the papers. I made chicken soup today, drink more of it. Does it taste good?
You're running between the company, the hospital, and home every day. Are you too tired?
No. I enjoy cooking for you. I'll cook for you every day from now on.
Can I trust what you're saying?
I won't break my promise to you again. Blood of the Mosquito recently aired. Don't worry about it, I'll take care of it.
How would you handle this? Clarify everything?
Director Song, have you seen the Mosquito Blood press conference? Mr. Fu specifically clarified that you weren't involved. It was Ruashi who suggested the breakup. Now everyone online is calling he Ruashi scheming.
You mean, he did it for me. Everything's cleared up.
Right, and when Mr. Fu talks about you, it's all sweetness.
Thanks for telling me this. So it turns out, he was telling the truth. He likes me. Thank you. Clarify everything at the press conference.
It's what I should do. Get some good rest. I'll go back and make soup for you.
Peace. I've seen your latest medical report. Your condition has stabilized. You can go home for recovery.
Thank you, Dr. Gu.
You. Will you remarry Fu Tingshin?
Actually, I've always loved him. I want to give us a chance.
Song Anning. You must be happy.
Look up at the sky.
I see it. We're looking at the same sky.
That's nice. I'm ready to be discharged. When can you come pick me?
Now. I've come to pick you up, and Ning.
Yeah, I've been waiting for you for so long.